Welcome to this competition winner video. It's going to be a little bit longer than just the competition winners because we actually have a couple of things to update you on. And the first one is thank you very much for those of you who had the opportunity to visit us at Autoshow. It was a pleasure to have all of you. We got so much positive feedback. We got so many people that came up and were interested in what we are doing. So thank you very much for that. That was one of the experiences that we're probably never going to forget. Moving on to the next item is, as you know, we just launched this YouTube channel and our shop and our Instagram, and I actually got sucked Wednesday morning just before going to Autoshow. Mark Zuckerberg decided to remove our Instagram account, so we had to start all over. But thank you very much for the support, and as you know, we're very new. So these videos, if we seem a little unprofessional and we seem a little awkward, that's because this is just new for both Ugos behind the camera and me. But again, it's brand new, and thank you for the support. We're already closing up on 300 subscribers on YouTube, which is much more than we had expected. But that just tells the story that what we're doing is apparently something that you like, well, at least 300 of you like. So we're going to continue doing that. So that's huge inspiration for us. So thank you very much. The next thing we want to discuss with you is a new concept that we are launching, and it's called Share a Ride. The reason for we are sharing this concept with you is because we can see how much positive feedback we've had on our competitions. Also through the years where we've had these different cars, where we have had the opportunity to take, kids and adults as well for rides in the cars, people who don't necessarily have these cars. And we want to continue doing that. So we are introducing a concept called Share a Ride. And the point of the Share a Ride competition is to give you the opportunity to drive in our cars. And we are still fine-tuning how that's going to happen, but it's going to be something around competitions. It's going to be something around giveaways. So we would like you that do not win in this competition, because not everybody can win, unfortunately. We would like to give everybody a ride, but that's just not possible. For those of you who do not win in the competition, please go in and submit your email address to our newsletter on our website. And we will, to begin with, do a raffle on that website where we pick some winners each month for having a ride in the cars. And there's, of course, months where that's not possible because it's winter and that does not like rain, doesn't like salt either. So that's not going to be driven during the winter. But we'll figure something out so we don't get disappointed. We have other winter cars that are, interesting, or we can always postpone the ride. So welcome to Share a Ride concept, where you actually get the opportunity to drive a Skyline. In a Skyline. You don't necessarily get the opportunity to drive it. I don't think, my insurance doesn't really like that, so no. Anyways, submit your email to our newsletter, participate in the competition. More information about this is going to be available soon. So now onto the competition winners. And what we've done is normally we just basically pick the winners randomly, just go like 10 comments down and pick one. And what we've done instead this year is we've actually randomized it. We used a randomizer where we just used commentpicker.com website, and we just added the video and then we just picked the comment. And we're just going to do that now. And you can't see what I'm doing, and that's fine because we're going to screen capture this. We're actually screen capturing right now. So we're going to screen capture this, and you're going to be able to see the video while I'm explaining what's happening. So I just need to fill this out, and because I have ADD, I cannot multitask, so this is going to be really interesting. Maybe we'll just cut this part of the video out. So let's see who the first winner is. Opti Lofty in the Skyline. Congratulations. And what we will do is we'll comment on the video. Morten Dyr will comment on the video where you can what you should do to kind of pick up your prize. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to ask you to write to us. Simon Kingo, awesome. Also, so we're going to. I can't multitask. That's annoying. User JGE.
So what we're going to do, we're going to select 10 winners, and we are going to be, because not everybody is having the opportunity to come and then have a ride. Somebody lives far away, somebody doesn't have time. So we are going to try with the first one. If that doesn't work out, then we will just go to the next one and the next one until we have a
Exactly.
a winner.
And we'll probably pick a couple of people because I've decided we're going to do 10. So let's see how many of the 10 actually respond. Most of them I actually see as actually Skyline. So we're going to do 10 and let's see how many respond. But yeah, if someone doesn't respond, the next guy and girl in line, person in line, car tuner, cool, is gonna get the opportunity basically. And we're going to give you plenty of time to respond. We're not in a big rush. Most of the people actually Skyline. And there were 133 comments, so 133 participations. And some of you that participated by submitting the email, we're going to do a raffle on that as well. So your input isn't wasted. So that was the competition winner. So I have an agenda here actually. So the next thing is, what happens now? So a lot of stuff's going to happen now. The first thing is, by order of priority, CarFest is in 9 days, not 10 days, something like that. And CarFest is a micro auto show, and I don't like it when we call it that, but it is. And we are going to participate in CarFest in Nykøbing Falster, which is south of Zealand. So for those of you that can come down there, you're more than welcome. And we are going to do giveaways on drives there as well. So if you didn't win the competition and you've submitted your email newsletter and you really want to ride, go down there, get a ticket, participate in the competition. So we're going to do another competition for that. So CarFest is coming up, and we are actually not entirely sure which cars we're bringing. We're definitely bringing that. And probably Thompson's bringing the Evo. Well, he is bringing the Evo.
He is.
Just kind of confused about whether he's on our location or somewhere else, because we haven't actually gotten a response from the guys. And we're probably bringing two cars more. And I'm not entirely sure which ones we're bringing, but it's going to be a surprise. So maybe the Datsun, one of them. So that could be cool. So it's CarFest, and the next thing is the beach meet. There is a beach meet. BMW Boost Junkie, who's going to get tagged in this video, has a beach meet on Friday on Amager, and we will do our best to attend that. It's a little bit cramped with the time schedule or stuff we need to do, but we will do our best to attend, probably with the Skyline. Update on the Jaguar build, and I'm probably going to show you some pictures of how it looks now. The Jaguar is going to get built, and it's going to be complete, and it's going to be done. We are not sure when, because we are still recovering from Autoshow. As you can see, the whole workshop looks like someone bombed it, which we actually did. It looks very bombed. We have to clean that up. Anyways, we're going to build it. We just need to figure out when. We're also going to build our shop truck, the Datsun. That's one of the next cars that are going to get built, and it's going to be a properly awesome build. I know it's just an old diesel, I know it's just an old pickup truck, but wait and see, we have some really cool stuff in store for that. And we bought another car. It's a little bit of a secret what it is yet. It's Japanese. It's left-hand drive, so it's not like a right-hand drive, but it is Japanese, and it's not in Denmark. So road trip coming up. It was actually the idea that we should pick it up this weekend, but I'm just tired, and you're tired, so we need to rest. So 14 days or something like that, we're picking it up. And are we still going to drive it?
Yeah.
We're going to drive it.
We're going to drive it.
We're going to drive it. Yeah, I'm a little bit adamant about that, but I think we should try it. It's gonna be awesome to try. It runs sometimes, so that's good. Yeah, so a Serb and a Pole driving a foreign car that they just bought through Europe to Denmark with no Danish tax on it. There are a couple of things that we need to discuss, but yeah, we're gonna try to drive it. That's gonna be fun. Last thing, as you know, we launched our shop, and the shirt that we have, the basically the t-shirts that we're wrenching in, and awesome Autoshow t-shirts. These are available on the website for another couple of days. I think we're gonna take them down somewhere middle next week, right? Actually agreed on taking them down this weekend because it would be a week, but people are actually still buying these. So we will give it a couple of days more. So last chance to get these. These will not be available anymore. So final call for that is in a couple of days. And we will soon be adding more very, very cool products. All the key hangers that we gave away, all the stickers that we gave away, We're actually considering whether to sell them on the shop. We haven't made the decision yet. If you have an opinion about that, you know, when you can buy a key hanger for like a 5 or a 10 Danish kroner, something like that, write in the comment what you would like to see, if you want the key hangers, if you want more unique merch. What we are also gonna do is this is part of the Jaguar that we cut away. This is part of the front bonnet that we cut away for making room for the supercharger. This is going to be turned into key hangers. So you will be able to buy a part of the Jaguar with a serial number, with a KyushaFactory writing, that you can have. I don't have to say this, we have a couple of pieces of Jaguar that we can make key hangers of. So there's going to be very, very limited run of these. I don't know if we're going to make 20 or 30 or something that's going to be like that. These will be available on the website, and we're not sure about the price yet. We're not making it to earn money. We're making it because we want to share our passion. So I'm not sure about the price, but they're not going to be that expensive, except the fact that there are very few of them. So again, go to our website, grab some merch. More merch is coming up. And lastly, of course, because this is YouTube, like and subscribe the video. Follow us on Instagram. Engage with us in any way you want. We love to hear comments. We love to have your input. A lot of you that have written either on Instagram or on YouTube how much you appreciated having the talk and being able to see the cars. We actually invited a lot of you in to the stand to have a look at the cars. We're going to continue doing that. So like and subscribe and comment. Engage with us. We love to talk to you. We love to engage with you. I think that's about it.
I think that's it.
Awesome.
See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you very much.